So if you're taking A-level physics and you've got a test coming up, how should you best prepare for that test? What are the things that you can be doing that will actually really help you to improve your grade and your performance on that test? And what are the things that perhaps might not be so effective? So I had a conversation with one of my students towards the end of her lesson with me earlier in the week, and she was asking me how to best prepare for a test that's coming up on the materials topic early next week. And she was wondering whether it would be better to read through her notes or whether there was something else that she should be doing. And my strong suggestion to her was that she should get herself a set of past paper questions on the topic that's being tested, the materials topic from year 12. And there are various places where you can go to find those. I have workbook packs which I sell, which you could buy, which are organised topic by topic. But anyway, it doesn't matter where you go for your test material. But practicing questions is far better than just reading through notes. And what you can do, of course, at first is have your notes open and refer to your notes. So when you're working on exam questions at home, you're not necessarily strictly under exam conditions, particularly if you're not very confident with that topic. So you can have your notes open and you can use all the information that you can find to answer that question. And then the key will be for you to carefully check your response against the mark scheme. And this is the essential bit for you to carefully see what it was you could do on that question and what it was that you were less sure about or didn't get. And really, by doing that, you're identifying the gaps in your knowledge and understanding of that topic. And by identifying the gaps, you're going a long way to improving your performance on the test when it comes up. So anyway, I hope that's give you some helpful sort of food for thought. Exam question practice is the way to go with A-level physics, and it's far better than making notes. Obviously, making notes has some help and some benefit, but the real development and the real learning takes place when you're applying all that knowledge in questions. Anyway, in my group classes, if I can give those a mention, we are mainly focused on practicing past paper exam questions, and the aim of that is to improve the students' exam question capabilities so that when they come up to their tests and their end of year exams, they can really